Imagine effortlessly tackling wine spills from last night's dinner party, or quickly freshening up your favorite armchair after a busy week. The best portable carpet and upholstery cleaner is like having a magic wand that erases stains with ease, leaving your surfaces looking as good as new. Whether you're a pet owner dealing with muddy paw prints or a parent trying to keep up with messy little ones, this versatile cleaning device offers a solution that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. But with so many options flooding the market, it seems so difficult to find the best one. Fear not. In this video, I am going to dive deep into the world of portable cleaners to bring you a solid guide on which one you should buy. So, watch the full video and check the video description for more details. Number 1 is Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Bissell's Hydro Steam technology is a game-changer, offering not only powerful steam but also potent suction and the added effectiveness of the Oxy formula. This dynamic trio works together to eliminate set and stains and tough, stuck-on messes from carpets, upholstery, and various surfaces. The 3 cleaning modes steam wash, steam, and wash cater to different cleaning needs, from tough, oily messes to enzyme-based stains. The fast-drying feature ensures quick results, allowing you to enjoy clean, dry furniture in approximately 25 minutes. The included Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain Urine Eliminator, with its Stain Protect formula, ensures permanent stain removal and helps prevent future stains. Number 2 is Eureka Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Eureka's NAY100 is a versatile and powerful solution for tackling stubborn spots and stains. The dual transparent tank system, with a generous 50.7-ounce clean water tank capacity and 27-ounce dirty water tank capacity, enables longer cleaning sessions. The 5.5 feet long hose and 16 feet long cord provide extended reach, making it easy to access spots on carpets, upholstery, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. Its powerful spray and suction system efficiently and effortlessly eliminates a wide spectrum of everyday messes. The large tank capacity ensures uninterrupted cleaning, and the separate tanks keep clean and dirty water apart. Number 3 is Kenmore KW2001 Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner. Kenmore Spot Cleaner is a lightweight yet powerful solution for lifting stains from carpets, upholstery, and auto interiors. Weighing less than 11 pounds, it's incredibly portable, allowing you to carry it anywhere in your home. The dual tanks facilitate easy filling and emptying, providing a hassle-free cleaning experience. The package includes a 3.5-inch tough stain tool, 6.5-inch wide path tool, and a trial size of cleaning formula. Its compact design ensures convenient storage, making it an excellent choice for quick cleanups. Number 4 is Shark's StainStriker Portable Carpet Cleaner. Shark's StainStriker stands out with its dual-activated tough stain eliminator that requires no premixing. This powerful cleaner delivers 20x more stain-striking power, effectively removing stains and odors from carpets, area rugs, couches, upholstery, cars, and more. The strong suction pulls out liquid and dirt embedded deep down, making various surfaces look like new again. Weighing under 9 pounds, it's lightweight and compact, providing whole home cleaning convenience. The precisely fused dual-activated formula combines the power of Oxy for effective on-contact stain cleaning. The package includes an integrated crevice tool, 3.5-inch reversible bristle tool, 7-inch wide path tool, pet tool, hose clean tool, 16-ounce Deep Clean Pro formula, and 32-ounce Oxy multiplier formula, offering a comprehensive cleaning solution. Number 5 is Hoover CleanSlate Plus Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. Hoover Spot Cleaner is a powerful solution with a focus on permanent stain removal. With tools for every mess, including the 7-inch wide path tool and tight spot tool, it provides versatility in cleaning various surfaces. The powerful suction is designed for life-size spots and stains, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. The dual tank system, with a 40-ounce clean solution capacity, allows for longer cleaning sessions while keeping clean and dirty water separate. The hose rinse tool makes cleanup easy, and the entire unit is designed to minimize leaks after use. Number 6 is Bissell Little Green Cordless Deep Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Bissell's cordless cleaner is a standout with its powerful suction driven by a 165-watt motor and 25-volt lithium-ion battery. It provides the convenience of 2 cleaning modes: turbo for optimal suction power and eco for quieter operation, extending the runtime up to 35 minutes. The grab-and-go cordless design allows you to clean hard to reach spots and stains on various surfaces, including carpets, rugs, upholstery, auto, and RV interiors, patio furniture, and more. The Bissell Pro Oxy Spot and Stain with Stain Protect formula ensures instant and permanent stain removal, making it an efficient and portable cleaning solution. Number 7 is Dirt Devil Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. The Dirt Devil Portable Cleaner simplifies spot and stain removal, excelling at deodorizing pet messes, embedded dirt, and general stains, leaving your carpets refreshed. With powerful suction, it handles accidents, spills, and tough set and stains on carpets, upholstery, auto interiors, and more. Remarkably compact and lightweight, it's 20% lighter, easily fitting into tight spaces. The built-in hose rinse flushes the machine, and its removable water tanks facilitate easy filling, emptying, and cleaning. Number 8 is Vivohome Portable Multi-Purpose Carpet Cleaner. Vivohome's portable carpet cleaner is a powerhouse with 3 temperature controls, featuring a rapid 15-second heating function. With 3 adjustable temperature settings, it provides versatility for daily use, moderate cleaning, and deep cleaning to dissolve stubborn stains. The machine boasts strong suction with 2 adjustable levels, ensuring thorough cleaning. The humanized design includes 4 detachable brush heads, noise reduction technology, and a large capacity tank system. Number 9 is Haushof Portable Carpet Spot and Upholstery Cleaner. Haushof's Carpet Spot Cleaner is a powerful stain remover with a 400-watt motor and professional cleaning formula. The double-tank design, 37-ounce clean water tank, and 17-ounce sewage tank simplifies filling, emptying, and rinsing. Weighing 7.5 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, featuring a 4-foot hose and 10-foot power cord for extended reach. The versatile tools include a water sucker with a brush for deep cleaning and a right-angled water sucker for hard-to-reach areas. With low noise operation and easy one-button use, it provides effective and user-friendly cleaning. Number 10 is Ailltopd Portable Carpet Cleaner Machine. Ailltopd's carpet cleaner machine boasts super suction with a 450-watt motor, tackling various stains and stubborn paint quickly and deeply. The dual water tank system, 0.8-liter sewage tank, and 1.8-liter clean water tank ensures easy disassembly for filling, draining, and cleaning. Portable cleaning is facilitated by the ultra-long hose, 3.57 feet, and power cord, 16.4 feet, and the compact design allows easy storage. With 2 sizes of brush heads, it's suitable for different areas of stains, providing a comprehensive cleaning experience for a refreshed home environment. Number 11 is Uwant Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Uwant's carpet cleaner boasts 12 kp super suction, delivering unmatched stain-fighting prowess for carpets, furniture, and car interiors. The one-button self-cleaning feature simplifies post-cleaning, ensuring a fresh and odor-free living space. Designed for multi-purpose and pet-friendly use, it effortlessly cleans various surfaces. With effortless portability, a 30-day return policy, a 1-year warranty, and 24/7 support, it's a user-friendly and reliable choice. The double and spacious water tanks, 60-ounce clean water and 54-ounce dirty water, ensure uninterrupted cleaning with ease, making it an efficient and hygienic solution.